every time.
Well, it's been a real privilege performing for you, ladies and gentlemen. Dave and I would both like to thank you for being here today. Thank you for listening to us, and thank you for simply being you. If you love us half as much as we love you, then we love you twice as much as you love us. And now, from my beating robotic heart, this is for you. And now, the end is near. My battery's flat. Your ears are hurting.